Hi, I am Harsha. I am studying in St. Patrick's School. I belong to SP Robotics, Puducherry. This is my IOT Level project. My project name is JCB. Working of my project, I have made a JCB robot. This helps to pick an object which is heavier from one place to another. Working model of my project. Components I have used: Bluetooth controller, battery, wheels, motors, servo motors, wires and arm. Thank you for watching my video.